Hello, Nadine here, and I am going to make a card today using some VersaFine Clair inks. I'm going to be using the Nocturne, the Purple Delight, and Charming Pink. I'll also be using the ink potion number 9, and I'll be using some Stays-On stamp cleaner to clean up my mess, and also some jumbo daubers. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take a card front, and then probably starting with the Purple Delight from VersaFine Clair. I'm just going to randomly start blending this into the card. I want to get kind of a ombre effect, so I'm going to do darker at the bottom, going lighter to the pink one. Charming Pink at the top. There we go. Now I'm going to take a stencil on there, and then taking the ink potion number 9, I am just going to spray right over the top, pretty generously. I got some drips down there, which will be fine. And then taking a heat tool, I'm going to heat this up, and you'll see it lighten. See how that lightened up on there? Just a fun technique to create a background. And now I'm going to take my Stays-On cleaner to get that ink cleared off of my mat. Now, using my messy tool, I'm going to use a stamp from Casual Fridays. Oops. And use the Best Is Yet to Come stamp, sentiment stamp. And get my stamps with some VersaFine Clair and Nocturne. And clean my stamps off again with the Stays-On stamp cleaner. And there we go. I just added some pearls to the flowers and my card was done. Thank you for watching, and visit imaginecrafts.com for even more inspiration.